Hi there, this is Jeffrey Rhoades from Experimental Homesteader, Exotic Gardening, and SheriAnnRicherson.com. We are doing an unboxing today. This is an item that Sheri purchased using gift cards from affiliate
sales on Amazon.
Yeah.
I get gift cards instead of cash.
Yeah.
We have an option, and I choose gift cards.
So she used her gift cards and bought this cast iron oval roasting pan. It's a 12 quart. It's from Bayou Classic.
I am so excited about this.
And when we opened it up,
we have not had it out of the box yet.
yeah,
so
we opened the box just to make it easier on video. But there is a nice little thank you in here, and explains about a little bit about the bayous of Louisiana. There is a sticker of some sort.
Yeah, it says Bayou.
Bayou Classic.
Yes.
I'm not sure whether you're supposed to put that on the...
No. It would definitely melt off.
Yeah. There is care and use instructions.
Oh, turn that over. I want to see. Look at that tripod.
Yeah. All sorts of...
yeah, all sorts of goodies. Look at that. Yeah, this looks really... Is that cast iron?
I don't know. It's jambalaya kits, so I don't know whether it's cast iron or not.
Oh, I'm going to have to look that up.
Yeah, there goes more gift cards. Okay, so it is packaged nicely. There's some nice foam in here to hold it in place. This is the lid upside down.
And oh my gosh, is that thing heavy? Let me tell you.
Oh, it's cast iron. It's going to be a little on the hefty side. Okay.
I did want to point out, if you see this right here, because I saw a lot of negative reviews on Amazon about that, and that is just normal. That is just normal.
I mean, it's cast iron.
Yeah,
you're going to have little flaws and blemishes here and there.
Yes. And once you properly season it.
Yeah. And I do notice, okay, I can see a little bit more there.
Yeah.
There is a little bit of a film of oil on here.
Yes, you can smell it.
You can smell it.
Yes.
It's intended to keep the cast iron from rusting in the box. It allows for storage purposes, but it's not seasoned fully for cooking purposes. It's just that light layer to provide a little bit of protection for...
Oh wow, that's going to be lovely for a turkey. Show.
See, there's.
Yes, I could see that.
Yeah.
Okay. So I was just going to kind of give an idea of depth for people. So how deep do you think that is, Jeff? And the lid
between 3 to 4 inches. I'm leaning towards the 4-inch mark.
Okay.
And with the domed lid, you're getting probably at its peak. You got 6 inches at least.
Can you tilt that maybe so they can kind of see? Yeah, look at that. Isn't that wonderful?
So yeah, you've got a nice, 6 inches or more. Oh, I like. Did you see that?
That's an alligator, right?
Yep, that's a nice gator on there.
Yeah. And now, if you read the care and use instructions, this does say that it is pre-seasoned. But here is my advice on this. anytime that I get new cast iron that I have not seasoned myself and that is brand new, I go ahead and give it a light washing. And I know you're not supposed to wash cast iron, but I do this anyway because I don't know who might have touched this or where it's been, and I don't want any of those potential germs staying on my cast iron. So I go ahead and I give it a light washing, and then I immediately season it myself. I do put things in the oven upside down when I do this so that any excess oil can drain off. And I have a silicone mat in the bottom of my oven that things can drain on, but I usually put some aluminum foil on my bottom shelf in a pan. I have a big pan that I can use, and that way the excess oil can drip onto that and be caught, and then that foil can just be rolled up and thrown away. But I really highly suggest anytime you get cast iron, unless you absolutely know where it came from, even if it says pre-seasoned, go ahead and do it yourself and make sure it is done right, because cast iron that is not seasoned right is not non-stick. So it is really, really important that you take this step.
It also allows you to use whatever oil is your preference.
Yes.
So, you know, you basically can remove the oil that was used, because you don't really know what kind of oil they used.
Yes.
But you remove it, and then you put your own, and that gives you your preference of oil.
Yes, and
you can season it to your liking.
Yes, and I like to use a natural oil. Sesame oil or peanut oil is often what I will use to season with. I think it does a great job. I know that there are, can you spin that long ways, if the box will hold it?
Well, that was part of what I wasn't sure that the lid would hold it.
Yeah, I think it might not. I was just wondering if, I was thinking
you still want me to try and...
Yeah, go ahead and try and see if it gives us a better view. Yeah, there you go. That'll be good. Yeah, that gives a much better view. But I think getting a good seasoning on is really, really important. And then the first couple of times that I use it, I do use a little extra bit of oil, because like I said, I'm wanting to really get that seasoning on there so that the pans are nonstick, because the last thing that you want to do is use soap on your cast iron. You want to get it seasoned, and you want to have that food come out without sticking to your pan. And as I said, this pan is very heavy. It is a 12 quart, but I think it's really well made. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's a good
turkey roaster.
Oh, it's going to be wonderful.
Yes, it is.
And it does say that it can do up to 18 pounds of turkey.
Oh, wow. So that's going to be really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not going to do a bird that we raise, but...
Right. But your smaller sized birds will fit in here wonderfully.
Yes.
You know, and this will be wonderful for doing ham.
Lasagna for a crowd. You're thinking that's a lot of lasagna.
A crowd of one. Me.
But cast iron is really very well worth the investment. If you take care of it, you are only going to have to buy it one time. And even if it gets a little bit of rust on it, which sometimes does happen, you can take care of that by just using a little bit of oil and reseasoning it. If a cast iron pan gets a lot of rust, you can just put it in like a fire outside, a contained fire outside, and you can get that off of it. There is a certain process that you use to do that. But I'm very happy with this. This comes with some cooking hints and some care and cleaning instructions. And one thing that I do want to say about using cast iron. Oh, it comes with campfire instructions too.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever you use a cast iron pan, cast iron will crack. So the one thing that you want to do not put a cold cast iron pan on a hot fire, because that can cause it to crack. you want to heat your cast iron up as you're heating your oven or whatever you're using up. So it's always better to, say you're going to use your charcoal grill, you can always preheat your pan in the oven if you need to, or once the flame dies down, get your pan on there right away, not while the flames are up there licking the pan. And so I definitely think this is going to be a great investment. I can use it in my oven. I can use it on the stovetop. I can use it on the barbecue grill, gas or charcoal. We have charcoal, but you could use this on gas. I can use it over an open fire. I could use it on top of the wood burner. So cast iron is just so versatile. And just, I can't tell you how well worth the investment that it is. And I really think food cooked in cast iron just tastes so much better.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So
anything else?
I don't have anything else other than I hope people will subscribe, because you can bet we are going to be doing some recipes and using this to cook with. I don't know if we're going to do video recipes or if we're just going to have them over on the blog on experimentalhomesteader.com, but we will definitely be getting a lot of use out of this.
Yeah.
Yep. And this is a brand that I'm not familiar with, because normally I do use a different brand, but this was the only company that had this particular roasting pan, and it was something that I definitely did want to give a try to. So I'm really looking forward to this. So
I think that's going to do it.
Yep. Please subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments below. I'd love to hear if you have any experience with this company or this particular pan. Thanks for watching and have a great night.